Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set contact poster in iPhone. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the phone app. Then if you're away from contact, just select contact. Select all contact. Now the next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on my card. Click on edit at top right. Click on edit again. Switch to poster. Then click on photos. Select photo library. Now select all. Go ahead and select the photo you want to set as your contact poster. Select it and hang on. Then click on done at top right to save changes. Now you want to hang on for your contact poster to change. Once it's changed, click on check mark at top right. Then select your avatar. And then hang on. Then you should see your contact poster like this. Click on the check mark to save it. Then this is your avatar and this is your contact poster. And that is it. So that is exactly how to set contact poster in iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.